Take a ride in the 2018 Q5. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, braking assist, regenerative braking system, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, cargo area light, retained accessory power, overhead console, trip odometer, compass, rear floor mats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.